Okay, so you can, yeah.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now. So
Yes.
please, I share your screen. Okay,
Okay.
perfect. So
Mm,
the point here from the problem statement, yes, what you added is great. Yes, you should start with chances as 0. That's one possibility.
but I'm not sure I can use I know true can be counted, but if I define 0, can
Mhm.
I stack true into number if I use this way?
So wait, actually, you don't need to. So okay, I think this concept is not clear. So let me just try to explain things to you. So did you understand before about the AND operator? Did you take it before? So if you have a condition
Yes.
1, and you have condition 2,
Yes.
you are able to AND them using this AND
Yes.
operator.
Both is right. Both is true.
Perfect. Okay.
Yes.
Both must be true to be able to have a result that is true, right?
Yes.
Okay. And so this is one of the things that you need to use. You have now, we are not talking only about one condition here. We will be talking about two conditions that we need them to be able to continue looping, right? Because we have 5 guesses. We have a possibility of only 5 guesses, right?
Yes.
So that's one thing. And then if you want to, another concept we use in the programming is, so we are able to say chance like that
Yes.
equal. So the initial thing is we say chance plus 1. So it means that we increment the
Okay.
chances by 1, or sometimes we can use that one. So we can use chance
Yes.
plus equal 1. It is exactly same like this line.
Okay, okay.
You see before?
This is yes. I saw the code like this. Yes.
Yes.
This
Okay.
will work the same.
Exactly. Exactly.
Yes.
But it's shorter, yes.
For chance is 3. Yes, there is H. This is right. Yes. Leave chance break. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, break. Mismatched. Well, I thought break will stop the code here, not I don't know why it print you're right, because code has break before the print you're right.
Can you run the code again?
Yes.
Did you okay. So you are right, mean that again, that means that you already finished 5 times of guessing here. So you are
Yes.
right, supposed to be only if you manage to guess, right?
Yes. Okay. Yes, yes. Okay, okay.
Mhm.
Yes, okay.
Good. So what you're doing is actually great. It's just a small changes here and there that is needed. So
Yes.
Typically, we would like to have. I mean, yes, when you use break is great, but we should be using the condition here
Yes.
that we should never start to run unless two condition is already confirmed. So the two condition is chances is less than 5. So we should use chance less than 5 and
Yes.
that condition answer underscore mismatch. So both of them should be true to be able to execute that code. And if you do that, this means that
Yes.
this line of code you don't need to put anymore. You don't need to put a break. Did you understand what I say? So exactly like, okay, this is condition 1, this is
Yes.
condition 2. You should use two conditions here instead of one.
Okay. This is unnecessary, right? I can use more
Yes.
simply
Yes.
mismatch and chance
Chance
is
is less than 5.
5. Chance is than 5, less than 5. Service page is true. You are wrong. Okay, okay.
Here, yeah. Perfect. Good. So yes, this is the first thing. So the other small change that I would advise you to do is that
Yes.
you should so okay, you started counted somehow okay, this code, the first from line 7 to line 9 should actually
Yes.
come under the if.
Yes.
So
Okay.
so
Okay.
so you can copy line no, I mean wait.
Okay, okay.
No, wait, no, I'm talking about, okay, so you go to line 11 and line
Yes.
14, line 11 and line 14, put them immediately under the while loop.
Not under the while loop.
Immediately under the, so cut them and put them under the while loop.
Okay.
Yes, go to under the while loop here.
Okay.
Yeah, put them here. Yes, okay, and then push. Yeah, give you some space. Let us see. Yep. Okay, that's good. Yes. So try to run now.
Okay, okay.
Okay, now I want you to try to really write something that is not so just give it something that is not correct. Give it a run and pass it something not sandwich. I just want to show you the difference.
Yes, now I know what you are trying to say.
Okay.
I should count at the last because the hint is unnecessary if I Yes.
Didn't try
correct
yet.
Yes, yes.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so that's what I wanted to tell you here. And then other than that, you are perfect. Okay.
Oh, thank you. Yes.
Yes. Okay. So let us continue. So you stop sharing, and then let me. So, okay, I wanted you to see my screen and tell me what is the code, what is this code is doing actually.
Okay. This will count the amount of E
Inside the code.
in the word.
In
Yes.
the word string.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Good. So yeah. So now we have another example using that code that you saw before, which is for counting. We need
Yes.
to develop. Let me see here. So we need to make the code a bit generalized, which means that, let me see here. Okay, so in this exercise, you will explore occurrences of a specific character in the word sheep. So the Python code provided allow you to enter a character that will, and it will count and display how many times the character appears in the word. So the code that the starter code that you have seen, which is here,
Yes.
is actually fixed here. So it means that you already fixed E that will be counted from the code. But we want to give ability to the user to decide which character he want to count. So tell me what can, I think this is quite simple. So I just want to know from you what kind of changes that we can do to this code to not to fix the letters that need to be counted. Now we are counting E. I want to make it up to the user to count which character.
Should I have to use the list?
No, it's more simple than that. So if you want to count S, for example, what should you change?
I can if I want to count S, I just change the E into S.
Okay. And what if you want the user to have a chance to decide which character to count? How can we do that?
I can use input function instead of E. Yes.
Perfect. This is a solution. And so you just, yeah, but you know where to use it, right? Where to put the input.
Yes, yes. But I wonder, how can I automatically count the whole letter? Like if I input sheep, the output will 1S and 1H and 2E and 3P, 1P.
I promise you, actually, I can show you the code now. Actually, it is, this is one of the things that can be done using a dictionary. So as you know, the dictionary always have a key and value, right? So the dictionary is always like that. And we have a key and we have a value here and so on. So we are able to see that we are able to use, for example, S, and the value is 1.
Okay.
And but this is a code that's slightly advanced. So I can show you, I can share with you the code that does that now. But
okay, I will have
more concepts. Yes, I need to go step by step in the concept, because actually this is only like 4 or 5 lines of code. But of
Okay.
course, if you don't learn the basics behind it, then it doesn't make sense. But so I understand what you want, and believe me, this is already in our plan to even learn it either this lesson or even the next one. But let's see.
Okay.
So, like what you said, I just want to share with you. This is the code that we wanted to, the modification that we want to do to the code. You enter
Yes.
a character that you want to count, you save it here, and then you check how many occurrences it have in the code here in the cheap word string, and then it
Yes.
counted and then it printed out. So that is the solution for that. But now see, please, can you tell me these functions do what?
Okay, I think I can guess.
Okay.
Well, the first one will will make the first letter into upper one. Is it right?
Yes, correct.
Oh, wow. Well,
So
and the
capitalize
second
is, so
one.
if I have a world, wait, let's put it this way. So if I have a string like that and I pass it capitalize, which one will be?
W, I think.
Yes, perfect. This is a good guess. Yes. And then what about title?
I'm not sure.
Okay. So okay, so this means that you didn't see these functions before.
Yes.
So title will take each first character of a word inside a string, and it will make it capital. So here top will be like that, word will be
okay.
here will only make the first one capital.
Yes.
And then swap case will take will actually reverse whatever we have in the string. So whatever small will be capital, whatever capital will be small. So that's swap case. Okay, so let's have a quick example here. So if you see here, okay. So when
can I ask you something?
yes, please.
The title function will make the WP instead from word top, right?
Yeah, yes, W and so the W and T, yes, will become capital. Yes. So this is the example. I'm just sharing with you.
Okay.
If you see title, if I pass it a text like that, a quick brown fox, so the output will be a quick brown fox. Do you see here small, here small, here small, and here every first character will become capital just by using title.
Yes.
So this is answer. Did I manage to answer you?
Yes.
Okay, but then hello world, only the first character will be capitalized using this capitalized function. So what about swap case? So if you have mixed a string with capital and lowercase, so it will swap. Yes, inverse. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Perfect. So let me see that. Yes, that is an explanation for that. Yeah. Okay. So we move to the next here.
Swap case. Capitalize.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see.
I want you to tell me what this code does.
Yes. The rand int will make the random number, which is integrand between 65 and 90.
Excellent. Excellent.
And I don't know what CHR is.
Okay.
Okay.
So CHR is actually a function that takes a number and get you the equivalent from the ASCII table to that number. We already know before the ASCII table have how to say representation for every number, for every character. We have an equivalent number to it. We equivalent decimal number to it. So it will. So the numbers from 65 to 90 in the ASCII table is all the capital letters of the alphabet from A to Z. Okay.
Okay.
So then when you guess a number here and you pass it to character, it will translate it to which capital letter it is, and then it will store
it will print. It will print random
capital number.
Letter.
Yes, exactly.
But I wonder, should I have to remember all the ASCII code?
No, not at all. No, you should not do that.
Okay.
But you should be what you need to do is that if you by time I never needed to memorize that. Yes, sometimes I have it in my desk all the time. The ASCII table image I can share also with you that. But the point here is that if you know okay, the capital letters start from 65 to 90. Oh, by time when you start to memorize that, then it's great. So you just need to know, okay, capital letters start from which, and lower letters start from which to which number to which number, and then more than that is not required.
Okay.
Did you understand what I wanted to tell you, right?
Yes, okay. I understand.
Perfect. So I believe that there is a strong exercise here. I know you like it. So, okay.
Yes.
Now, let us move from here and let me share with you the starter code here. Okay. Stop share. And we go back here. Let me see. No, I think not here. It seems that I missed something. So what I wanted to say that give me a second, please. I need to check here the worksheet. Yes,
Okay, let me get some water.
Yes, please. I think. You tell me when you are done, okay?
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, so this is the first code that we have seen here, and if you can remember, we also used a code. So here, create a new word that replaces a letter A with with an @ symbol. So here also he's depending on one of the previous code that we run. So he loop through every letter in the string word, and if he see a character letter A, then he will create a new word which is replacing A with a @ sign. Okay. And else he will just add the letter. So it means that he is building a new string every time he makes a loop. Okay, he see A, he put @ sorry, not, not yeah, okay, he just put @ and if he see nothing other than A, he would just put the normal
Yes.
thing.
Yes.
And
I
then
can understand. Yes.
okay, so now using this concept, the exercise that we have is to actually share here. Okay. So we are trying to generate a secure password.
Yes.
Okay. So we have to prompt the user to enter 3 individual random numbers. So we ask the user to enter 3 random words.
Yes. Okay.
Each entered word should be replaced with a lowercase letter. Okay. And then we concatenate the 3 random words into a password. So you see, we have 3. This is a third requirement. The fourth one, replace every vowel in the password with a random character based on the conversion table below. So that is the table here. So this is the vowels, the possible vowels, and this is ASCII code, and we should replace it with a character between 33 and 37. So using the random, we can do that. So every time we see A, we should generate a random number between 33 and 37 and replace the character A in the concatenated random words. So we have word 1 plus word 2 plus word 3 that the user input. And we should we should first make them all lowercase letters. And then we should search for A here using this rand int. And rand int for A should be from 33 to 37. Rand int for E should be from 38 to 42.
Yes.
And so on here.
Well, can I ask you some questions?
Yes, please.
Should the output has always the same? Like, then I should use C option to.
No. It will not be always the same, because why? Because you are generating. So so A will not be always replaced with the same.
Okay.
It have a chance to be replaced by 4 possible characters.
Okay.
So it's I mean, sometimes it will bring out 33. Sometimes it will be 37. Sometimes 34, 35. So it means that you see how many possibilities now. So we have 5 possibilities, and each one of them have 3 chances. You see, from 91 to 94, 3 different, actually 5 different possibilities. You see, and here also the same. So it means that we will totally have completely different password every time we run the code.
Okay.
So now,
and between 91 and 94 means 91, 92, 93, 94.
Yes, exactly. Yes.
4 chances. Yes. Okay.
So from 91 until 94. So you should write inside here 91 to 94.
5. Oh, okay.
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 Good. And then after you do that, okay, so you will ask the user to input 3 words like this. 3, for example, 3 fish monkey and so on. And then you do that. So the secure password that is displayed is something similar to that.
Okay.
But then there is additional tasks that we should do. Now we're trying to advanced in the exercise. Okay, so we should. There is another 3 tasks, 4 tasks that we should do. Add additional bit of security of your program. It should ask the user if the screen is secure before presenting them with a password. So after the password, the secure password is generated, you should ask the user first if the screen is secure, and then only then you can show him the password. If not, if maybe somebody is beside him, he doesn't want to share, he doesn't want the password to appear in front of other people. So
Okay.
he depend on the, this is like a kind of if statement. It's a simple requirement actually.
Yes.
But
Yes.
okay, it's a smart feature. So
okay.
And the second task is the first and last letters of the password need to be uppercase. So adjust your program to meet this requirement. So again, we need to care that the first and last letters of the password need to be uppercase.
Okay.
So this is something change on top of what we have done above. Okay.
Okay, but what if the first or last letter is not on alphabet? It can be like power mark or yes, plus or something.
That's interesting. It should not be, but let me see. Yes, it is possible. Yes, that's interesting question. Then I would say you have to check. You have to check first if it is if the first and last letters is actually in the alphabet, because
Okay.
yes.
I think I can check that. Yes. Okay.
Yes, you are able to check, because if you look at the ASCII table, you're able to tell if this is starting from which number to which number.
Yes.
So, and you know the alphabets lie in between them. So
Okay.
only then you can start to make them capital, and you know the functions that can make them capital, right?
Okay.
Okay. So okay, and what we want to say that and then okay. And then the last two things is all the password must be 12 characters or above in length. So adjust your program so that it checks the length of the password and asks the user to enter 3 words. So it is not too short.
Okay.
So so if you ask the user to input three possible words, so it means that we need at least every word to be bigger than 4, or is equal 4 or bigger than 4.
Can you I'm so sorry. I have had some call, so I reject it. Can you explain again?
Yes, sure. Okay. The point here is that we must have the password bigger than 12 characters.
Okay.
So 12 characters, but bear in mind that we have to enter 3 different keywords. So
yes.
and since we have 3, so each one of them should be 4, at least 4 characters, or bigger than, we can say bigger than or equal 4 characters to be able to be accepted. So if you have 3 of them, 3 multiplied by 4, it means that you end up with 12 characters like he's telling you. So you have to make sure when the user enter a keyword, as you can see here, the user will enter 3 keywords: first keyword, second keyword, and third keyword.
Every keyword has to
bigger than or equal 4.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. And then the last task actually is quite simple. He just asking you to check if your code is efficient, and if you can use functions to simplify the code, and that is subjective a bit. But the most tricky parts is the first 3 tasks.
Yes, but I think task 4 would be the hardest one.
That will only come with experience. So this is a long-running process that we work on improving every class. Okay. So now, what I will do now is I will pass you this PDF file immediately. Not immediately, but give me less than 2 hours from now. I pass to you. And this is additional to the exercises that will only come. But the exercises typically come after more than 24 hours. But this one I will give to you in less than 2 hours. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. So this PDF file will be not the same as the exercise. Exercise will
additional to the exercise.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay, so
Yes.
I think the level we are going through from the exercises point of view, I think it's not bad. I believe so. It's not bad.
Okay.
Okay. So do you have any comments so far?
Well, it's not like the question for the lesson, but
Okay.
How much it will take time to read other code which is made the complete program? Can I unpack every open source project if I get the highest level enough?
I believe I'm able to tell you
Yes.
at least maybe 2 to 3 weeks from now. I need to. I
Wow.
still, yes, because again, now we are not in the. I mean, if we're talking about previous lesson,
Yes.
we was talking about basic items. Now we
Yes.
started to go to dive deeply. I need to see how you answer exercises and how your skills develop every time you
Okay.
answer exercises. But maybe I'm able to tell you within 10 days or next 2 lessons, maybe. But it
Okay.
depends on the answer and the improvement that I see from your side in the answering of questions. So if I see that, okay, every time I give you a question and then we correct and try to improve your answer, and
Yes.
it means that you don't repeat things. So, and I'm able to give you more complicated exercises, then definitely you'll be able to, I'm able to answer your question very fast. But if
Okay.
not, then it will be hard. But you have to also understand that when I start coding, I was only able to read my own code, not other people's code. And some people take 10 years to be able
Wow.
to read other people's code and modify it. But it depends on the ability. I was able to read other people's code and write it faster than my colleagues. But I am not.
Okay.
So it depends on the mind skills and abilities. Okay, I think the
Okay.
lesson is about to finish. Thank you for your time. See you next class. Okay.
Okay. I can wait to solve exercise.
Okay. Take care.
Okay.
Okay. See you then. Bye bye.
Bye.